The first thing that comes to mind when we think of robots is a machine that imitates a human, like the androids in Star Wars, Terminator, and Star Trek The Next Generation. However much these robots capture our imagination, such robots still only inhabit science fiction. People still haven't been able to give a robot enough common sense to reliably interact with the dynamic world. This documentary speaks about the use of robots for saving people from natural disasters. Keeping our criteria in mind, we have decided to create a programmed robot which would save people from water and rebels in dangerous regions. Scenes of destruction from the Kutch earthquake, Chennai floods, and Nepal earthquakes are etched in our minds. During such disasters, thousands and thousands get stuck under debris, and this robot's duty is to rescue people like them. As strange as it might seem, there really is no standard definition of a robot. According to scientific terms, a robot is a mechanical or virtual artificial agent, usually an electromechanical machine that is guided by a computer program or electronic circuitry. A robot has these essential characteristics. Sensing. It would make it able to sense its surroundings. Some of these sensors include chemical sensors, light sensors, hearing and sonar sensors, and taste sensors give our robot awareness of the environment. Energy. It needs to be able to power itself. It could be electrically powered, solar powered, or battery powered. Movement. A robot needs to be able to move around its environment. It could be either by rolling on wheels, walking on legs, or propelling by thrusters. Intelligence. A robot needs some kind of smarts. This will take place from programming. Keeping all the essential characteristics in mind, our robot would have multiple sensors which would be capable of recognizing the surroundings. It would be programmed to perform functions like flying, digging the mud off, assisting the victims with first aid, and transmitting the location to the control room so it can be rescued. The robot will be capable of increasing in size and increasing its arm length to reach deep into the debris. The robot will be well equipped to carry out its duty. It will be capable of diagnosing the person either through his pulse or the blood pressure. It will have oxygen cylinders and would be programmed to dispense oxygen to people. The ultrasound sensors and IC chips will be fitted in our robots. They would help in locating obstacles in its path. The arm would help it cling onto something or pull someone or something from the rebel, and its size makes it move easily even under disastrous conditions. It will be an amphibious marvel capable of moving on land, water, and air, so it needs to be waterproof. The robot can be manipulated to work wonders and be a lifesaver through a remote control. Thank you for watching our documentary.